Turn your home into a cool haven with Dent Services, where comfort meets innovation. Expert assessment, precise installation, and meticulous testing. Our certified technicians ensure your air conditioning system is perfectly tailored and efficiently installed, making those hot days a thing of the past. And with Dent Services, your comfort is maintained all year round. Our maintenance plans keep your system running smoothly, ensuring your peace of mind. Choose Dent Services, where every day is a breeze. Your sanctuary of comfort is just a call away.